Hi, to charge your Garmin Vivoactive 5 as a first step, let's check its current battery percentage. For that, we would need to simply swipe up, and here in this upper panel, you would see this battery icon and battery percentage near it. So I got 44 percentages. And to charge your device, you will need to take this charging cable which goes in a conflict with your device. Here you would see those contacts which you need to plug in your watch. For that, take a look at its back part, and here you'll see those contacts as well. So you need to simply put it here, slightly press till you hear a click, like this. And now we need to plug this Type-C and in a power adapter, laptop, or even your phone. And now the watch is charging because we can see this lightning icon on our watch face and battery percentage. So that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.